Hi guys, welcome back to PFS Flames, and I'm Kitania. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe your favorite part, and share it to a friend and all of them with it. Yeah, and the title of this movie is What If? What if she's not the person you think she was? What if he's not the person that you think he was? You know? So, get! That little girl nasty, man. Get! Come here. Crazy. I know mommy yard this year. I feel like me now want different yard. I really mommy yard look so.
Listen to me. I know me alone there. I know me alone there. So everything you want me to do.
So, me dey on my phone and I work. And from man in the house sit down now do nothing. And me I work on my phone and they tell me say, hey, can I get one rake up here, little girl?
You know, say though you're very ungrateful. Look at the amount of stuff me do in the house, so you just sit down by your phone and do nothing. According to you, you work, and you not do a thing. You just manage for yourself and call yourself my sister.
You watch your mouth, you know, little girl. You get too prime. You forget to me bigger than you. Eh? I look at breast and when you grow fool you. You watch yourself, you know. You hear me say? You get to rake up your yard. Because me don't want your yard look so. You hear me say? Don't give me no tough chat here. Because you don't know woman here. Go, let's go rake up your yard. Watch it out of the way. Where you block off way for me for? Chop.
So let's have one, you know.
Yeah, he's the man, you know, say, I'm going to let's go.
Stop. From me, you know, a pure woman you have. You never hear you settle down with one. You can't settle down with one. They might beat one. Yo, man, I tell you the truth, you know, one day one of them will beat you, know.
Yo, me can't bother with the old man there, man. If they don't want to fight them and mix up them, yo, you hear me? Anything I do, I just do, yeah, man. You see? Anything I do, I do, you.
Listen. Me not tell you say you can look at woman, you know, but if it's at least second one, if today me see the one, next week me not see her with her again. You don't understand.
Yeah, you want to understand?
So we understand then, no?
What you take up all a woman, brother? If she can't cook, a clean, she can't clean. Some of them not beard.
Me understand
up
about
to
that.
my standard. So if you find out something down the line, if a 3, 4 something, you've got to cut off some of them. If a girl can't wash and she can't cook, bam, you teach her to wash and cook. She can't clean. She not beard herself. For 4 things, you probably have to let her go better and try with somebody else then. You see me?
Me understand what you trying to say still. Oh, oh. girl.
One of them better come now.
You can't get her, man. Them girls are too hot for you.
Sharp like that, man. Watch out. Just like that.
Good evening.
Hello? Can I have a minute of your time, please? Just 1 minute. 1 decade, please.
What's your problem?
Voilà, come in on the money you want to say. Look at it. You see me? He's a single man still, you know. But what I'm doing before you say nothing. You know, I'm truth, you see him.
Okay.
I want to say, me not for a reform girl car. She can't cook, she can't clean, she can't bathe herself, she can't do nothing, you see me?
So me ask you a question. Why you choose to tell me your life story?
I'm just, that's why I don't get to when I talk say yet. I don't get to when I talk say yet, you see me? That's it. Problem could all bring you out, you see me? Probably if you like it, like me, I like how me around me, you could have go and get you together, you see me?
You just know me inside.
Just to tell you, not to tell you, say problem could have date you out. Matter of fact, when
Brittany.
Brittany, name truth, same.
Alright.
I show your vibe, so probably, you know, you're a nice girl and thing, you look good, probably me, I could have go out. And if it nothing further, we go further, you see me?
Alright. Well, me just take a number then. Okay? Gonna me call you and tell you if me up to it or not. So put in a number. This is your name, Drupa?
Yeah. With an edge. Just bring them on, cause you know, over a weekend I probably could have just gone one of them Bourbon Beach place and you know, probably drink too, you know, where you can go, you see me?
Alright then, no problem.
Me see you, man.
Alright, me see you too.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
Alright, big up at you.
Dear. Okay, you get it? Brother, me girl, this me don't get her number still, but better to call me. Cause how me approach myself that to woman.
You have to teach me the ropes.
Then you know see what me I do? You know hear what me I say?
What? The man settle down and all, man. Alright.
Settle down. Suppose she don't want to settle down, what me I gonna do?
No, man, she said, if I get the number, that good.
So me I tell her about.
Alright,
show you her.
Later. When me know what I want later, you know. I learn now, I will stand up in front of the mirror and talk to myself.
You say a word, man. You have the swag already in the brother. Just show the swag, no man. Sometimes just go up on the front and stand up someone. You see me?
You know, girl.
Beat a one beer.
Sometimes they say me a pato. You know, girl.
Or pato.
When we call to them, they say, they sound like a somebody there. Woo!
Sometimes not even call to them, man. They just stop.
Oh,
So, and I beat all a one beer. You see, you know them ready? Let me come cross, man.
Alright, go back. That's enough. Big up.
Go on and do the maths, man. When I tell you.
As me did I say, I have a sister there. In a top takes it palm me. Every little move me make a she that on my ears. Me just tired of it. Me can't dey all it done and you know find something for you find problem with. And him just there.
I don't feel good, man. No, so no. Wake up this morning, be a vomit, me a vomit. And then me sitting there and feel weak. The belly are hot, me want, you don't know what to say, man.
You think it's still hot now?
Yeah, I don't know what to do. I want them to go to the doctor and find out what happened to me. If I catch running a belly or what.
Let's go to the doctor, man. Alright, go on a doctor. Me see what I can do. Every money we spend up, me give you what then. Because I can't understand how your belly just hurt you. And I don't know like a woman business that come down for you now.
No, I don't, no. And my back a pain me.
Man, and you look busy.
Because I'm weak. Maybe go beg somebody follow me to the doctor because I don't want to go by myself and nothing going to happen to me. I don't nobody down there. And I have to see nobody on the phone pass if I'm going to go call nobody.
You need somebody follow them. Go walk with me. Sam, you can't sit with this. From morning till now. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Back up here, me tell
Let
you.
me make somebody follow about it. I mean, I say no sign or nothing. Not, like you're getting a leak now, nothing.
Me
Now,
not
where
get no leak, me
where
just-
you eat last night?
I know what me just alright, me just get up, right? And just my belly start hurt me. I saw eat curry chicken last night. I mean, no, say my curry when me cook around my belly.
I ain't know if me talk no curry now.
No.
Something wrong there, man. You have to go check it out. I can't take on its problem now, because I don't know say how things are run already, isn't it? I like so rich, you see?
What next thing?
You're not rich. We're going to have a little piece of food where we can go and take care of ourselves. So when I walk, you feel it in your back too?
Me back and my belly and whole of you, so me I tell you, like, you don't believe me. All I'm feeling is more. Yeah, I'm vomit, but. Come on.
No, this serious, man.
So me I go. Now look at me can't go doctor for early because I don't want this
Where
food.
I go?
You sure?
Salaman.
Yeah. So me just take up this so. So what you say I go do?
Now walk with you go out there once so we can make somebody follow you.
Me don't in a bed, on phone and not do nothing. And I expect me to do everything in my house. Like, I want to be a robot. I'm tired of this now, man.
Who you in a phone? A man you chat to?
Girl, you see the same thing I tell you about? Just, you know, I'm tired of it now.
Where you tired of?
Tired of you.
Okay, after me I cook every day for you get something I'm little girl. You know what? Come go down to uncle for some food so we can get to cook. Because you're ungrateful. Remember me tell you that? Come on, kiss up your teeth and ring up your feet. Oh, tell little girl, man.
What's going on?
You pick up plugs. I see.
Sorry.
Yeah, man, you told woman before time. Right.
Oh, go on.
Gallus.
Okay.
Yes, you go on now.
Yeah, I'll eat myself, man.
Boy, from you get a new man, I don't see you again, man.
You know see me that try call your phone again.
You know, so to tell you the truth, I don't really have a phone for me.
You want to make you know some bingo. Bingo.
Let them come my yard.
I want a nice girl, man. Remember me tell you, brother. Trust me, I want a nice girl. You hear me tell her?
Oh, you want to second down this time, come and tell you,
Me I settle along with her, man. Because even now, I don't find no fault with her. She can cook, she can clean, she can wash.
So we can come over and eat food
Yeah,
then.
you come over, come eat food. I think I eat that. I want a man on my place, brother. Oh, when me alone there, you don't want to come over there. Man.
No, just relax, some man, woman their yard now, so we can come over and eat some food.
Yeah, one on Sunday them, yeah, man.
No, I can't for one night Sunday.
Eh?
I can't for one night Sunday.
Yeah, where you want to come in the yard?
Eh?
Where you want to come in the yard?
Because I woman didn't know how to cook some food, I cook enough. You know, you understand?
Man. Wear yourself, man. Try get one like she. That's what you do.
It's hard to find them, man. Yo, sometimes some of the young girls, they don't know nothing about cooking, not about washing.
The same thing me I tell you. I say them want to find brother.
You want to look brown one day, you know. Nothing. Me can't find nothing more already in the dictionary to describe her.
Yeah, go through what me used to go through now. You see it?
Nasty
Better
bad.
left her quick. Man.
You have to go and hold on for them. I don't have no better yet. When you get better, you let it go.
Alright.
But you have to hold on for the nastiness till you find good.
That's true.
You can't go and clean you up. Now I'm going to let him go and suffer. Although every time I cook, I go to the doctor. Cost me.
So you alright, son?
No, I don't think some people will come to pee up on them down, you know? So, what details? I literally mean.
Me too say she alright.
Oh,
She can cook and clean. Me just send her go to the doctor. See her belly right time. And she have vomit from morning.
I found it from man.
Send her go to the doctor, of course.
Vomit.
She said
No,
I'm
that
for
sound
something
like a
she
good
eat
news,
last
man.
night.
She have vomit, man.
No, I look like she eat something last night, man. And her back a pain her and it's ear pain right now.
Right phone?
Hello.
Hello?
What, babes?
Well, I don't know if I break the news, but I'm pregnant.
What?
Yeah.
Yo! Yeah! Yo. Now call her back here.
Alright.
She pregnant. Doctor just find out she's pregnant. Come on. Yeah, the man. You know, I'm a man long time, but I just to find the right one, man. That, you know. Like that. That, man. Yo. 1 week. No, you can't come here for food.
No, I don't bother eating no food. Man. Without come mess up your thoughts, no man.
Come on, yo. Something I call about myself. Hello. I mean, you okay now? What on now? Good evening. I mean, I'm too tired. My turf, this is it. What is the name?
I don't worry about that.
What is the name?
Don't worry about that.
Look young, though. How old are you?
You don't got to know.
It's cool, man. I work with you and talk to you, man.
No. That's news.
You have a boyfriend?
No, man, I can't see.
That's easy, man. I'm not trouble in the room for me. I call you and stuff.
Where?
Natural as well, see me. It's cool, man. I walk and I'm making no more about it, man. You say that now already. See?
Jesus Christ. Let me do that and take it down. Rasta! Wagwan!
Well, I don't see me at all, brother. What you man? Listen, man.
That's it, yeah, so. One day, one girl have to beat you, man. The most get beat. I want them to me, I say.
I said, I'll just put your number in this and I'll call you look more. I'm not stop you, man. I'll go do what I'm going to say. Move. Like something like that. Come up on the road, man. You see me?
Here.
I don't know where.
Wait there. Here.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Call it. Come on.
Alright.
Get some credit, yeah?
Bye-bye.
Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Say your name again.
Okay.
Alright, check. Wow. Man, you want me to you never go, brother? They say no hard, man, you.
Get a next one again. So what I know? What Brittany and I just breathed her a while ago.
Park she, you know, ideas done, you know. New girl. You should see girl pregnant, brother. We should go walk on the road and put on clothes and them so. I forgot she, man. She alright, man. She was second long now in the house.
Well, when I get the one there, tell them so we can come here and eat some food.
All while I talk about food, brother, I'm not trying to tell you, say, get one nice girl, no man.
Me say they don't want me, man. Right now, I'm in the begging thing. Me say me go and tell you the nasty one.
Ah, stay, yeah, you say I do that. Fine, no problem.
Brownie me nasty, you know, but
So what I do now, in idea?
well, we don't do him to do over here still, so we all go home. So,
I rush call my hospital still, yeah.
you say you're a bad boy.
I have to go check her out. I have to go check her out, man. I'm glad said we, you know. We link, man.
Do you right? I remember say one of them will beat you one day. Alright. Your dream. You will not cheat me a dream.
Hey, I'm gonna cook you.
Cook! Me call my man to come for me, you know. At KFC, me and him a go. So you must know, if you don't want to cook, or what, or for your belly. You know, watch your friends, son. You will know how you got out full tonight, because me I go about my business. Oh, let me get my bag and something. I don't want to stay 1 minute more and look on your face. Because you don't have no manners, right? Me there every day. Cook clean. And you're ungrateful enough. Stand there. See food there can go cook it.
I think I alone a man can coffee or KFC. I call you time. Juta. I mean, Kate, man, you remember a girl we meet earlier in the day? Yeah, you can buy 1 3-piece KFC for me, please? Alright, thanks. Sis, what's for breakfast?
Look here, when me watch for breakfast, me buy me something them and leave it for me and your girl. Remember, say me did me really like you. Not true, we are sister. We don't share the same blood, right? So now I have to ask me for nothing.
Enough, you do it, Mr. Harsh.
I don't harsh, but I can look at one breakfast and my money me use by them here. Me buy me sugar and then pick you up in a China and buy me bites and buy me plantain and something. And then pick me Jesus Christ.
Yes, man, that's yeah.
And then pick up them off a roadside and buy me bike.
Okay, then.
And you check how much money in my bag. Now you check the money either. Now your feet get too close and feel say me and you a friend.
Enough worry your head. I'm going to buy my own things in my shop and I don't depend on people. You girl, 1 minute, see you drop your money.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's fine.
You're lucky to me anything.
Thanks.
No problem.
What party ahead? Party I go?
How do you?
No, then you can walk.
Where are you from?
We're gonna listen to
Oh, are you living in another mansion there?
I'm not gonna mansion yet.
Massa.
See that bill up there?
Either way, still big. Come to you.
I don't feel good. Something I'm gonna buy on the road.
Oh, could I buy for your boat? You don't know you like that, so you go to in there and take your money and go.
If you're teeth, more than teeth, I'm going to drop my music.
Look at you.
You can't believe this. Look how far we walk on the shop block.
Exactly, and even look at water we never carry or nothing.
I'm better start to happen worse. So, I will say I do PD now.
I know somebody just have to my shop and go back home.
So, come over me here. We chill.
Come
I
on.
know each other. Alright, no problem. Come on. Okay. just sit down there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Woo!
Do you really need this? See, you now make some tea?
Tea? So, I'm going to want to make a tea when I get this home.
So I'm not know now. Are you alone living in this big house?
Well, to tell the truth, my mother got money there foreign. Yeah, so, I don't know.
You know what? Come here. You know me. Hello?
Be you walk on. Ready?
Yeah, but they one girl yeah, they soon come.
Oh. Hurry up and forward. Long as I wait for you.
Yeah. Can you just wait for me with this?
Hurry up before it rain, you know.
Alright.
What the order?
Hey girl.
What do I want to say I have one?
Well, you know. Yeah, you're not too deep and you know.
So, well, we have a boyfriend, yes, but pregnant female right now.
No one may tell you artist.
That's why I don't want to tea because I'm not drinking out from morning and I carrying baby so
So you know about it?
Yeah, I know about it.
Eh? That doesn't sound bad. Congratulations.
Thank you.
No problem.
So we say there
Well, me have to meet him out here, so I guess I have to go now.
alright then.
Yeah.
Thanks. So arm dress.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Alright, bye. See you next time.
Alright.
What's your name, please, yeah?
Hi.
You want to take one?
Yeah, I know one is
Your friend?
Yeah, you know come.
Yeah, go. We have to know differently.
Well, you see same girl me I tell you about? She tell me say she pregnant and thin and you know that kinda influence me and make me want to pick me now. So you know what you have to go do.
I tell you, say, no man, this is they can't wait till I want 1 year or 2 years.
And no more.
Exactly now.
Yeah. You know,
No father fashion get left though.
I don't care about that.
It's not even 6 months and I wait till.
No. I want it now.
No. Hey. Rah.
Little girl. How where your screechina come from? Come here to me. Oh, you walk so?
Come here, what?
I want to feel your mouth up. You have to fuck your mouth. Go on in there, so. Wait there. How you smell, so?
Do smell nice?
Smell nice. How you smell so raw? Like you just don't have sex.
Me have sex in a semi a virgin.
Look here. Look for me good. Me know why you tell me no lie, you know. Because me a woman too. And me used to have sex. And I same so me smell after me just don't have sex.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You mean you don't know what me I talk about? Look girl. Me know why you take me for no idiot, you know. Because see, if anything happen to you, and me here go fall back pan. Because I'm here the bigger one and I'm be there to take care of you, right? So me know why you run up, go out there and run up and down and something go happen to you and me no know which part of day. You understand me?
Yeah.
Come on in there, so. You never have a picnic from a ball and you have to go on like my appearance. So.
Make you come out without in our sun still, you know. Your sister can't too green, man. You see me? I look like you're not can't too green either.
I don't like cars, you just annoying. If a little thing, you find problem with. Like, who does that?
You can't bother this stress. You notice some is a man kind of cool. I don't know so hot.
Yeah, me realize.
Yeah.
Hello. I wish part of day. See now, come up here to me.
So forward, man.
So why you around the road? Every minute me call it around the road. But that, you know, so me come want me foot come around the door because I can't wait for you no longer. What you mean by me I come around there right now?
No, come, me I come up there now. Me I come up there now. Me I come up there.
Oh, that.
Mother. I don't go up the road and come back.
Come on, I know what him take this thing fine or come in. I drop him in the can. Oh, look how long me not see you. I chat about coming. Look how long me not see you. Oi. What happened to you?
Ask money me away from.
Ask them right there, so.
Yeah.
Well, you have to tell me right now because that's not what me I go.
Alright.
I go do.
Yeah, me alright.
You look sad.
First, me said you know how long me there, so.
How long?
Well, 5 hours add.
How we pass my for 5 hours?
Me determined, so.
You're full of sense, though. No, you know me, I can't take myself and go before. Need me, I'll pass and see you back.
Alright. Later.
Alright. My head like it. But watch ya. Oi! You mean to tell me say me go up so around 1.5 hours ago and come back and see said place, you know, not true? Girl, the best it makes sense to guy your yard, yeah, man. This man didn't come back.
Alright.
Every person did come, he would have come a long time. You're determined to true. You know nothing you have to do. No, me understand and see why. Go on your yard. How you go? You like back side, I figure which part to leave. Go on your yard. Go lay down and sleep. It's on your side.
Look here where I come from so late. You know what time now? Almost 6 o'clock and you come in. Where you come from? Whole day you gone out of yard. And you come and ring up your face. Now, ask you something. Little girl, me see where you come from. You hear me talk to you, turn around and me chat to you. Where you come from? From man in a gun, left out a yard, and see you soon come back, and decide soon come back. Eh? And you give me attitude part of that. You can't chat, you dummy. Me say where you come from, you go find out who a big woman in here. See you can't get no food. No food for you here.
You know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, yeah? And even though I apologize, I don't want none of your food. Yeah, your food can't go on in the ways. Alright?
Oh. So you get big now. All of a sudden you're independent. You want to pay your own. Okay. And so you go. You don't want no food. Alright. Make sure say you don't want no food for the rest of your life. You hear me I say? Make sure say you don't ask me for nothing or don't beg me to even look water. Because you're independent. You can't help me pay bills. You can't contribute to the light bill or the water bill. You know, so I don't want to put myself in a problem for you, though. I don't want to put myself in a problem, you know, so I'm going to leave you alone. Right. Kitana, how are you? So you just want to go and vomit so?
Maybe that's something I need to eat from before I upset my stomach.
You try to make sure. You play with me now? I try now what me think you be. You hear me say?
I am nothing like that.
Other day, you come a screech in and you smell of sex and now you run to a bathroom and night go vomit.
See me a virgin, one virgin can't pregnant.
You don't think you go to the doctor and say if you're a virgin, watch. Because this is not right at all. We don't like you can't mind pick me. You trying to can't pick me come here. That's me I try to tell you. Because big as how me be, you don't see me with one got in front of me, right? Not try this today. So, 12 o'clock and this girl still asleep. Hello? Wake up. You can't tell me say you're not pregnant, you know. And you're asleep. The time, a pregnant woman alone.
How much time you gonna tell us I'm not pregnant?
You come to your doctor because me want to know for myself, right? Leave now about clean the place. Come on. Go brush up your teeth and wash up your face and come on. Because we need to find out. And it'll take long. Look here. Me no want go down and serve, you know. Go spend too much $1,000, you know. Because if me go spend up my money, remember say I have to go give it back. So you tell me from now what go on, you know, little girl.
Alright, let me tell you the truth. Do you have sex? Yes. Why me not pregnant?
So I'm can't vomit at night time and I sleep so long.
Me tell you, yes, when me eat upset my stomach. And me tired, so me, of course, me go sleep.
You know what I'm going to find out? I want pregnancy test here. You go in the bathroom, go take this here. And I come round there. Can't believe me. But there too much time. I ask this girl if he have boyfriend. And before he tell me. Eh? Alright. What? How is that? Come on, that goes. After you're pregnant, eh? I breathe. Yeah. I breathe. Eh? I breathe. Let me come. Can me make you know, say, me no want you in my house. Because me no know if you put picnic. Girl, more you come pack your things and leave out of my place now. Jesus Christ. Eh? Come in, come.
No go on. I'm not getting scared.
Eh? Who breed you? Me say who breed you?
Me don't know.
You don't know? You know what matter of fact? You go and go bed and go shop, go buy your own breakfast because me no response for you, you hear? You see the man you breed you go and feed me and go look breakfast yam. I could care less where you want yam. Eh? You look time you come down here get man, I say tell you about you, you know. Me tell you about you. You go and buy your business. Because done with you. Can't believe it. Eh? Me there and me no breed. And this girl come breed. Oh, it's stress me stress out mad.
So, you make money for gas shop now?
Who fi give money? Who care? You see the man that breed you go to him for money. Come go and where you go to girl. Me fi give money. You know mind no man pick me. Come go and buy your business. Right. I'm tasty. Okay.
Pretty girl.
What go on?
There's something to tell you. What make you think you say me for 1 week and add?
I'm so excited to do a talk.
What you mean? Yes. Yes, sir.
You win a lotto?
No. That nice everything, but I know that. Guess again. I can't bother with your arm. I'm pregnant.
What?
Yeah, girl. There's a little thing. You know? Yeah.
So yet there? How when this happen?
You don't need to know the details to that. Just know, so, you know?
You're pregnant.
Yeah. So,
Alright.
can, you know, match out when the baby them born, make them turn bestie.
Best
Girl.
Jesus Christ. This nice.
Very.
I'm glad to hear. I'm glad to hear you're pregnant.
Thanks. Did I wish for it and it actually happened?
Nice man. I know I still can't believe.
Best baby, just if I tell me about fear baby, I just catch baby fever too.
Hi. Boy, the symptoms don't turn up.
Yes, love.
So we are going now.
Out the road, I gotta shop my fever for something. You know pregnancy. You know that way?
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, you know, so my mother come from foreign to reach at airport already. And I tell her a couple things about you and but I wanted to meet her. So go on and come back.
That's not so bad. I soon come.
Alright.
I have to go tell me details.
Alright, go on.
Alright.
Yeah, Mama Joyce, you're back in our place, man.
Yeah, man, it's good to be back home, you know? It's good to be back home.
I know, say, it's alright, though, it just kind of give a little starting problem to how long you park up for.
So you don't use it sometimes? You just make it sit there park up and drive.
Sometimes I come borrow the key, man, from your daughter. I know, I just go past one of the forger and put in gas in it.
You know what them old things, when them state man is sad, you proud, you know what I mean?
I call me and tell me to go pick you up and me and tell her, say, I get excited for how long you're gone, you know?
I call him and tell him, say, you know, I want to watch him.
forget the key from last night, so all of them must leave, you know?
Oh, okay.
Alright. Ah, General.
And then take good care of the yard. See how the land and everything. It's clean and nice, that's good.
Go help her the bag here.
Okay.
Auntie, I beg you a little favor. You know how you use the car and idea.
No, I'm going to stop.
Alright, so I can get a drive on my car about 9 night or tomorrow morning, right?
Can bring back tomorrow.
Alright, thank you.
That's me saying the rest house, so.
Yeah.
You have enough gas, right?
Yeah, man, just still in there, man. Brittany? Cousin? I have a surprise for you. Come here. Okay, don't come for you.
My princess! Oh, my princess, my baby! Oh my God, no.
Alright, auntie, tomorrow I can watch the car, yeah, auntie?
Yeah, man, you can't keep the
Alright,
car.
cousin, big up yourself.
Alright, bring up yourself, yeah.
Alright,
Thank you for
auntie, yeah, man.
coming.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Carry your
man.
suitcase, yeah.
I know, it's so good to be home.
Clean up. Clean up.
You want to see me come sit early?
No.
Alright.
Stop so me and look on.
Alright, so look after something so I can keep car. I'm starving. You know, so I'm not getting up on the flight. Feed now look a junk food.
Alright, just match up the cock soup here and then in time we don't look what's up with cook, yeah?
Yeah, do your thing.
I know we can't be this serious. Jesus
I'm
Christ.
after so long.
What's that? Me and somebody feel me too, the girl. She gone a shop. Someone said she gone to come back. So then she come make a meet her.
Okay.
Same girl me there to the boat. She's very nice.
Okay, that's nice. I'm gonna get along fine, right?
Yes, but mommy, guess what? She got still pass. When she passed me out her room this morning, she had tell me that she pregnant. She not tell me for who? For her boyfriend.
So she was dating.
Yeah. Just because I tell her, so me pregnant early, I'm going to see her for a week or so. Then after me see her, I'm like, Mama, she's pregnant and stuff. I said, wow.
So she ready?
So she said, she excited.
Well, that's
Bad.
nice. That's good. Is she ready? Everything cool with that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how far? How far?
Just say, I think I've 1 month or 2 months.
Oh, it's early.
Yeah, it's early.
I hope it's a girl. You know,
The same thing when I say, I hope it's
it's a
a girl.
girl. Yeah, you know, so mommy love girls.
Yeah, because me don't really want a boy church now because based on my daddy did, I don't want my child come stay like a him. So, rather a girl child right now because as far as me see it say, girl pick me.
And they're more
Long
easy for,
like
they're more easy for dealer than boys.
And
Boys
they get
rough.
more opportunity in life.
Yeah.
Girl pick me, if you notice.
Yeah,
Yes, that's true.
yeah.
So, a girl pick me one, I don't want a boy pick me right now. Maybe the next child, I'm going to have, maybe that if I'm going to have a next child, but I want it to be a boy, but no, I want a girl.
Wait for a little while, space them out, you know? Give yourself like another 6-7 years before you have another
Yeah,
one.
oh,
Space them. Space them out.
No, pick me 1 year apart or 2 year apart. You have to be like 6 year apart.
6
or
or 7, yeah.
Or
and
even
space-
5.
Even 5 no bother.
Yeah.
Space them out.
No.
My baby is so good to see. Oh my God, it's so good to be
It's the
here.
first grand pick me.
May I tell you? You know, some of us stay down here for a little while. We take a 4 weeks leave.
Oh, for a week?
Yeah, 4 weeks.
Oh.
I go and chill with you and, you know, and the family.
Oh, well done. Good evening.
Hi,
So,
how are you?
Mommy wanted to meet a friend.
It's so nice to meet you.
Okay.
Okay, it's nice meeting you. I hear so much good things about you.
That must be bad.
Yeah, my daughter tell me beautiful things about you. That's nice. Slow right to slow. You know. Who is your parents?
Well, I don't really know them, but me I still do one lady and her daughter.
So these people that you're staying with, they adopt you or you just stay with them for the time being?
Just stay with them.
So, what do you really look like? Is she a brown skin young girl?
Yeah.
What's
She
her name?
daughter named Tiana.
Oh
And
my
the
God,
older
Tiana?
name- Yes, and the older name Andrew.
Oh my God, William, this is a small world.
You know them? Yes, so I can know them.
Oh Jesus, we don't have to talk about this. Oh my God. I don't know how to talk about this now.
What, mommy?
This is so sad.
Mommy, what happened to you?
Oh God in heaven.
It's like I'm a phone to get see you.
I'm a daughter, innit?
Who?
You know say I'm a daughter?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
What?
And your sister.
Me confused.
Sister, how?
It's a long story. I'm not thinking of forgetting it, but I have to tell them the truth today. It don't make sense hide it no more. I have to tell them the truth.
Me shocked. Me not understand this.
Mm-hmm. My sister.
Well, the brighter side is you're my sister.
Guess what happened now? When I work his father, he wasn't no damn good. And we didn't really never have it like that. Things were rough. You understand? So I keep her and then I give you away because it was too much pressure. You understand? Because we don't go through a rough time. And we live in a one little, 3-bedroom house and stuff like that, and things are really hard. So I pray that you can find it in your heart to forgive me and forgive your father.
Brother, me a speech. It's not even know what he say.
It's hard to talk about, but it's more to the story. And it's really hard to talk about. It's hard.
So, mommy,
Hmm?
how is so sure say she your daughter?
Don't you name Ketania James?
What?
Yes, actually.
So me tell you your sister. Your sister.
Can't progress for this right now.
No, I'm crying. It's a long story. I tell you, so we're going with your father and everything with money. We never have no money. We never have no money. Things are rough.
So you mean you tell me so all along you have a sister and you not know that you never tell me so me did have a sister, mommy?
We never know how to tell you. We never know how to talk to you about it. No cry. We know it's hard and it's tough, but let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you the whole truth. I'm not going to hide it from you. I kind of make sense to hide it from you. When my father was no good. And when I find myself pregnant again, a peer problem we not have. You understand? And I couldn't really finance myself with the two of us. So I get a little chance to go to America to make some money to take care of her. So I leave it with my auntie. You understand? So that's how it go. So I want to forgive me for what happened. But at least she come back in our life now. And God work out everything so she come back in our life. And now we have this big beautiful house. It's not like before, everything things are pick up. You understand? Things are a lot more bright on the brighter side.
Mommy, look here. You know something big, right? Alright. You wait till... So, yeah, what do you mean to say, you know? If she never come over here, you want to tell me something have a sister, right?
No, we don't have to tell you after a while, because I'm not staying in the dark too long. It will come out somehow.
Mommy, I want to tell me if she never come over here, you want to tell me.
I'm not tell you. One day, but I have to sit and tell you the truth. I couldn't hide it from you.
No.
I couldn't hide it from
What
you.
am I going to do? We talk to me later.
Alright, if you are going to lead an arrest officer, go ahead. You understand, right?
Yeah, I understand.
You're rough, but that's how you go. It's about even though she might be 1 year older than you understand? It is really rough. It is rough. It is really tough. Sometimes we could even pay the bills then. You understand? So when we give you to my friend to keep you until, things get better, we get a little opportunity for go to America, through a sponsor. But before I leave, I was looking for you. I couldn't find you. Cause the lady, they move.
Yeah, we did move from here, we did there.
Yes, I was searching for a while and I couldn't find. I never know what to do. And the time come now, me I feel so I just have to leave because it's a better life. So I had to go. You understand? But she not understand what the sorry. She'll come down. After a while she'll come down. But it's rough. But it's a walk. It's a walk.
So tell me more about yourself.
Well, I'm a hard working woman. I'm always working. Before I leave here and go to America, I always do days work, wash people clothes, so I can't take care of them so food can't come in on the table. I'm a woman that believes in God. So, I used to go to church and I used to, dragging with me at the time when we can't carry on. Not really much, to say. It's not really much.
Alright, I mean, wait this one. Ask me a question. Ask you a question. So, like I'm a friend sister, right? Which part my father do? Which part I can't find? Because look here. Me don't want my child born and you don't know my grandfather.
That is true. I don't know if that man dead or living. From that man tell
What?
me. Yeah, from that man tell me something I get old and I want me want young girl. I don't know if him dead. I don't know if him they up downside where Africa, Bermuda. I don't know. I don't know. I don't see.
So alright, so if I spot it now, you think you can recognize him?
Of course we know that fool. Anyone we see right now we know.
So nobody around the community no know your baby father or nothing like that.
I'm never interested to find because when him left me and I'm gone about him because I'm not interested. I'm interested. So I just stay by myself.
I don't stay see that they do. But here I go, I remember my little sister were there with me, step one. Yes. Me I tell her say mommy gonna town and left we left me to take care of her, you see me? But here where the girl gonna do no breed. And he didn't even know who breed him. So tell me if me I bad somebody. Me tell him say look here if you go live with the man, Because me not know where to put you up. Me don't know where him I go live. Him try go live with him man, just wait till him come back here. I gonna put him out for good. Yes. Me no wicked, but me just have to take up things in my own hand. See girl I come back here. Oh, so your man you go look for. And your man you go look for. Get take out the things out of this one. And go on your man here. There. You girl just 18 Keisha. Just 18 she be and I take man already. About him and
You see me a take man?
and I tell me say I'm a virgin too, So Virgin Mary, a breed. You just reaching at him and he don't do nothing. Oh, I get me fling a phone in your face and come and turn up and look for me. Come on, go about your business.
A good thing, so I'm fine, my mother, It's a very good thing.
Stacy, hold on, let me soon call you back. What you talk about?
Me tell you, say me find me mother, me can finally come out here, so me can finally done with you for good.
Oh, so you're serious? You're serious?
Of course, me see. That fact, me don't even have to carry this. I can't take your rest of clothes in there, so too.
You know why you close them? You go on. You make sure say when you left through that door, you don't walk back through it. Remember me tell you. You see once you leave, don't come back.
What's the all over? You know what I'm saying? The man a shine! Wait a minute, you know gonna work properly though.
Yeah man, new girl alright man.
Walks.
Kinda shy though, but
Cook good.
I don't know, say me not make sure cook yet.
You can't have her down there at least 2, how much days gone now? About one week and couple
Sometimes
days?
still idle. You know, I have to get me dinner from Brit,
You still are you still at that trouble?
So what I do? You still get me dinner from her, but she can't cook here.
Yeah, we know me like you on the
And you
road.
just want one woman to cook down.
One or two, because when you cook from 2, you never know which one really had to bring.
So you, where are you?
I know. And the brown in there, not so 100, but yeah, come on.
Same all, same all.
Yeah, you have to just live with the nasty and still you can get something good.
I feel like that you want to live with me. Come sit down over here.
Listen, me go with that one there, till me find one better. You know I jump out of frying pan. So you me say, when can I call it in your be there? Where she there?
Sure.
You know check up on her?
Yeah, I'm check up on her, man, but she good, man.
What? where you go.
I got my heart in the rain
So,
and
so
fall,
you
you know.
say, you know, share one of them. Careful. Man, they are in tune.
Where you going with?
Hello?
Where you say?
I have something to tell you,
Go on up, me here, you know.
Well, I'm pregnant.
You what?
You definitely hear me say?
You know?
I'm up on the phone, you would.
Alright, sorry. Well, I'm not talking to Tom. We call her back.
What, just say what you say again.
I say I'm pregnant.
Yeah.
Why me one? You're pregnant.
What?
Remember
She
say we
pregnant?
say, yeah. Remember say when time we say we are going to make it, you know. When time we go down, I change my mind and use condom. Remember?
Well, I borrow a pool of them condom there. You can go down and check for the rest where you have.
Where you do?
You know hear me say?
Yo, hear me I say. I come down, come talk to you. Here.
Hurry up and come.
So you breathe that one there? You're bad.
No, but want to fist. Come like a she breed herself.
How?
Me use condom done. Me hear where she tell me say she bore condom them on the phone. Can I think that, brother?
You want, you know? You know where you put yourself in now?
Yo, me go down there.
Really want you. Why? Problem there in I camp, you know. Somebody get beat me, you know. What if? I don't want to say it.
You see your life funny though? Not just when you drop your money and call you and, you know, make you come for you and then we turn friend and see them now? Blood sisters.
Tell you the truth, I don't know sit down. I met Spanto because 2 years sister, right? 2 were pregnant. What a coincidence. And we're gonna have a baby, I think, 1 month after because my belly at 1 month, here's a couple weeks. Right? So it's nice. You know, say they are sisters still.
Yeah. So sis, you can't invite over your baby father and all them things eh?
Well, yes, me can invite over my baby father, but I have to call him and tell him forward. So, okay. You better answer because you know, say, I'm not foolish. Babe. Oh God. No, you know, some of them don't sit down with my sister. Yeah. May I say now, I can't come over, please. I want to meet my sister. Alright then, see you in the next couple minutes. Alright. No, I'm gonna need anything. Alright. Well, listen, come over the next couple minutes because I'm in the car. Oh, you post a 66.
Yeah, 66?
No, yeah, 55?
No.
55. Fuck that. One.
I'm going to check with me. See if we can get the water. My friend-in-law with the water. Jesus Christ. You know it?
Yeah, my sister.
Huh?
Yeah, my sister.
How
So,
Nothing. I'm here, your baby father come and still.
Never.
Jesus.
So, when I come in, I'm going to feel water.
You didn't know what I used to. What you know?
What? What about babies? Hi, my baby father. Yeah.
Hey,
Oh.
you sure?
Girl, my baby father.
I have to prank you, prank. What do you mean by your baby father? No, my baby father this.
What? Yo,
Yo, brother.
Remember, I'm pregnant because I can lick me and no sense.
So hold on. Come in here, son. Hold on.
Mr. P, come in here.
Hold on.
Tell a friend to come in here, son. Let me get that princess. Come in here, son.
I can't believe this.
Come in here, son.
Hold on.
Come in here,
Hold
son.
on, just hold on.
Can you come in here, son?
Let me explain something to you.
Explain, come in here, the people. Explain to me, no? Explain.
Come.
Talk up now. Don't pressure in this. Don't stand up my pressure in this. Explain.
Whitney, you couldn't blame him.
Shut up. You come in here and about me show say this and show say that. Shut up. Hey, come here. Where they go? You don't have no talk. Where are they, please?
Talk.
Turn up.
Easy, no man.
Turn up.
Hold on, no man.
Shut up.
Hold on, no man. Oh, it's one of them, but that one.
Share me.
Yeah, you see you.
She is my sister.
Who's sister?
I'm his sister. So wait, the way she say, the two are pregnant fear, right? The two are pregnant fear. The teacher trying to say, you just say shake a foot like say now, but that's me don't know. The two are pregnant fear. You feel it? Me not busy because I'm pregnant so for me and kill you and not this because you now go so.
What if you pick the guy? Don't do that to
If you pity then me not busy because me don't want to pray for the work list money.
I'm wrong.
We wrong. How me if you wrong? Are you wrong because I pick up two women on your bed? I pick up there two women now.
No, listen.
Yo.
Kill him.
Mayo.
Kill him.
No, Mayo. Mayo, hold on upon him, no man.
Yo, but now.
One of them will beat you. You sit down there, sir. Come on, tell us, man.
Come, Mr.
Yo.
Yo.
Relax.
Don't be stressing me. I'm killing me like this.
You can't believe these two are we.
We are ready for the same man.
Come on, let me see.
See there right there, so
Michael!
We are me, Michael.
Juta this, so you mean by
I am
Michael?
Juta, I am a liar.
No, Juta this.
And Michael is on the workplace footpath. We're running. Yes. I know this. And the workplace man this.
Juta.
I'm not Juta in here, man. Michael in here. Michael, the boy are wicked. How God will change my life. And Michael, the boy name, me I tell him Michael, I them pooper that the boy running left me. I him that. No good. Yes.
I'm daughter.
I'm daughter the two of them.
This nasty.
Yeah, incest.
We take up nasty, girl.
A dirty man. A dirty man. Rolling Stone, gather no mass. Everywhere you go and make pitney and they're on top of me too.
still can't
pretty
believe
me. And Michael. So last Sunday I had a pitney, sorry. I tell you something no good. Me didn't tell you no. Say your sister fake now. Jesus Christ. Let me get the water. No sir. This is a nice at all.
So what them blood bleed belly, you know?
Me don't know. This is a one promise. So come in pitney. Make up princess.
Papa.
I'm not fear for princess. Come. Everything for your sister.
I'm take the leave, yeah, man?
No left yet, man. No left yet. We have to solve out this thing. Help me. Come and pick me.
We don't know them still, I just two you
She really not out, you know. Oh God, get some water here. Get some water. Get some water.
Bye-bye.
I don't fear for.
No.
No good man. I'm pretty glasses and the picnic like on my show. That is what Chris nigga.
So what me I want to know?
Bring the water come.
Calm down.
What me I want to know? What me I want to know? Me no want no water.
Bring the water.
Drink some
Calm
water
down.
now.
Me no want no water. What me I want to know?
Tell you for calm down.
What me I want to know?
We're going to
What
find
me
him.
I want to know?
We're going to murder him when we find him.
Right.
We're going to murder him. We're going to murder that nigga. Drink some water.
Me no want no water.
Oh God, what the cross is? What the
Me I want to know.
You have reached the end of this movie. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.